Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use dynamic lock on Windows 11, then please watch this video. So first of all, you'll have to right click and select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, go to devices and make sure that your phone is connected. My phone is connected. If yours is not, simply click on add a device and search for it in the Bluetooth mode and connect it. Now once this is done, go to accounts and then do sign in options. Scroll down and then you'll find this option here which says dynamic lock. Expand it and then you will find this option here which says allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. Now it has paired with my phone, the Redmi 13C1, as you can see. If I pull my phone away, it will lock my computer. And you know what? This is an excellent security feature so that no one actually checks your computer when you're away. People usually forget and leave their computer on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.